Hello guys, welcome back in the TecLine Academy. In today's video I would like to show you my 2 tips that will probably help you inflating your SMB in more safe and efficient way. Let's just have a look what we've got here for you. So the SMB Surface Marker Buoy is our way of communication with the surface, and depending on the conditions and the place that we are diving in, we're gonna go for different sizes and shapes of the bags. Today I would like to discuss the 2 specific ones that I'm using personally. The closed type of the SMB, so meaning that there is no hole in the whole system, and the only way to inflate it or deflate it is the inflation valve located here on one end and the dump valve, as we call it, for the deflation. Such a small SMB is actually faster, easier to inflate it with your mouth orally. In that case, I actually don't necessarily need the adapter for the inflation hose, especially when I am diving in cold water, such as in the Baltic Sea, for example, during the winter time, because when my lips get numb before of the low temperature, it's kind of hard to really seal it. Okay? So what I do and what I recommend doing with the SMBs that we will only inflate orally is to remove this little part, okay, simply as that, and then we finish up with a bigger diameter pipe, rubber one, so it's not that cold and it's easier to really secure it when even diving in cold water, and we can inflate it easier with one breath only. Then when talking about diving in the sea or in the ocean, we gonna for sure go for some bigger surface marker buoys, such as this 180 centimeters one, just to make sure that, you know, the surface support from the shore will find our position even if they are far away and the waves are high and the visibility on the surface is not that great, etc. So as you can imagine, inflating this big bag with your mouth, it can be kind of problematic, especially when ascending from smaller depths, like from 9-6 meters. You need to really inflate a lot of gas to make it visible. So in this case, I would highly recommend to keep this little adapter here, but when inflating an SMB from your inflation hose, you need to really make sure that the SMB is actually as far from your equipment as possible, just to make sure that you're not gonna get it entangled in any part of equipment before shooting it, to avoid the risk of popping up to the surface together with your SMB. So to do so, it's not a bad idea to equip yourself with a really long inflation hose. I would recommend to use the dry suit inflation hose to inflate such devices as SMBs or lift bags, for example, if you need to lift something from the sea bottom. So in that way, if the inflation hose is long enough, like this one, like 1 meter or 80 centimeters, you can easily unplug it from your dry suit, take it in front of you, keep control over what is going on with your SMB, inflate it easily and shoot it to the surface that way. That requires of course some adjustment in your first stages in changing the inflation hose or adding an extra inflation hose to your setup. I hope you find these small tips useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like to be updated and posted about the videos that we're gonna publish. And yeah, have safe dives, and hope to see you back in the TecLine Academy. Take care and see you soon.